Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine at your home? Welcome in term 2. Let's start our maths. You all are watching so many things or objects in your surrounding. Yes or no? Yes, I have the two objects. Which are these two? Yes, sharpener and a duster. Now tell me, what is the difference between in these two objects? Yes, their size are different, their work is different, and also their color is different. And one more different is that sharpener is lighter one than a duster, and duster is heavier than a sharpener. Let us see about the heavy and a light. This heavy and light both are the opposite things. So let's start our chapter number 8. Who is heavier? I have two objects. Let us see in the picture. A balloon and a ball. So which is the heavier here? Of course, a football is heavier than a balloon. Let us see some another objects. Yes, a football and a watermelon. Now tell me, which is the heavier? Yes, watermelon is heavier than a football. Now I take another two objects, that is an apple and a leaf. Now tell me, which is the heavier here? Yes, an apple is heavier than a leaf. That means by guessing, you can tell that which thing is heavier and which thing is lighter. Okay? Understanding the concept of heavier and lighter. I have some objects here. Let us see that objects. I take a pumpkin and a tomato. Now tell me, which is the heavier? Yes, of course, pumpkin is heavier than a tomato. Now let's take another objects. A thumbs up bottle and a water tank. Now tell me, which is heavier here? Yes, water tank is heavier than a thumbs up bottle. Now next one, a bicycle and a bus. Now which is heavier here? Yes, bus is heavier than a bicycle. Okay, so who is heavier than who? How we can find out? We can find out by using this weighing balance. Can you see this weighing balance? Let us see this picture of weighing balance. Yes, you can see in the market this weighing balance. Let us see the examples who is heavier than whom by using the weighing balance. Suppose I have the one balloon and a one cricket ball and I put it into the weighing balance. Now tell me, which is heavier here? Yes, cricket ball is heavier. Here, the size of balloon is more bigger than a cricket ball. Then also, the cricket ball is heavier. So here you can understand that the size is not matter, that this thing is heavier or lighter. Okay, let us see the another example. I have a cricket ball and some marbles here. I am putting it into the weighing balance. Now tell me, which is heavier? Yes, cricket ball is heavier. Till I take so many marbles, then also the cricket ball is heavier. So here you can understand or remember that the size is not bother for the objects of their weight, whether it is heavy or light. Okay. So here you can understand or remember that this object is heavy or light is not depend upon their size. Okay. It is depend upon their weight. So the object is heavy and light. We can measure it by using the weight. By using the weight. Okay. Let us see with examples. I take a jam bottle and a ball. Now tell me, which is the more weight? Yes, a jam bottle has a more weight. Next, I take a bag of carrot and a sack of cotton. Now tell me, which has the more weight? Here you can see the sack of cotton is big in size, but then also the bag of carrot is more weight than the sack of cotton. Okay, let's see the next example. I have the sack of brick and a bag of carrot. Now tell me, who has the more weight? Yes, the sack of brick has more weight than the bag of carrot. That means by using this weighing balance, you can measure the weight of the objects. Yes? Okay. So the students, today we see the object is heavy or lighter in terms of their weight. So weight is the term we can measure that object is heavy or the light. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.